In this video, we'll learn how to duplicate layers to another document in Affinity. So in Photoshop, there is a feature that whenever we select a selection tool and then right click on a graphic element or a layer and select duplicate layer, then we can duplicate that particular element into next document. But in Affinity, there's a much more simpler way of doing it. So in order to do it, first of all, let's select a shape. Let's select this shape, which is our favorite shape. So just click and drag and let's adjust it somewhere in the middle of the artboard or canvas. So this is the layer here. So we can group it as well by right clicking and selecting group, which sits inside a group. Now before that, let's also try converting this particular canvas into an artboard by simply selecting or by simply clicking on a new artboard button right here. Now this is artboard and we can clearly see now that our shape is inside artboard 1. So what we will do now is we will simply click on the group or the artboard and right click and copy. So after copying this particular artboard, the shape inside this will also get copied, and we can go to next document and right click and simply click on paste to paste that particular graphic element as well as the artboard onto the next document like so. So this is how we can duplicate very simply and easily in Affinity compared to Photoshop. So if you find this video helpful, please press the like button, and for more informative video like this in the future, press the subscribe button and also the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on my next video.